Multiple door lights, an autopilot, auto throttle disconnect with the takeoff config horn. That lasted, I don't know, 30 seconds. It went away. It came back a couple minutes later, and now it's been off, but we have door lights. We're set here at 28,000 feet. American 1047, flight level 280.
American 1047, Chicago Center, welcome. The previous controller told me you're running some checks. Was that just the climb, or did you have an issue?
Yeah, we're going to stay at 280 for a second here. We got a couple of problems we're working on here.
Let me know if you need anything.
Thank you.
Scope 794, contact Minneapolis Center 135.77.
135.77.
United 1480, Chicago Center 134.82.
3482, United 1484, see ya.
Air Transport 3522, contact Minneapolis Expression, Chicago Center 133.3.
1333, Air Transport 3522, see ya.
And Chicago, American 1047.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're going to have to return to Chicago for some multiple problems here. At this time, we're going to have to declare an emergency. Looks clock 7700. We've got, let's see, 156 total souls on board and 24,500 pounds.
American 1047, Roger, thank you. Clear to our airport via direct, and I'll have some more questions for you in a bit.
Yep, no problem. And it's not, we don't need an immediate return if you want to slide us in or whatever. It's not, I just have to declare an emergency because we landed overweight.
American 1047, yeah, there's no inbounds right now, so you're kind of the only one out west.
Okay, we'll left turn back direct to Chicago.
American 1047, descend pilot discretion, flight level 240.
Pilot discretion 240, American 1047.
American 1047, what is the nature of the emergency?
We think it may be electrical, but we're getting all kinds of door lights and autopilot, auto throttle disconnect, all kinds of stuff.
Roger, do you need any equipment standing by, and what's your requested gate number?
Negative, no equipment, and we are working on that now. I'll let you know.
American 1047, for lower, contact Chicago Center 118.75.
1875, American 1047.
.31, and I talked to the last sector here about your electrical emergency. Are you requesting any equipment at the gate at all?
The 25, and we're coming in as 3031 now. It's just caution light issue and everything. We'll just have to declare the emergency because we'll be overweight.
Keep us advised on that as well. And yeah, like you said, if you want whatever runway you want, keep me advised.
American 1040, actually, if you can, I guess one of the longer ones, 27 center or 28 center would be great.